Now that the Canada Emergency Response Benefit is live and in place, what is going to happen is it's going to replace employment insurance for those who were on EI because of COVID-19. So this is going to benefit some people, and it is going to put some people in a worse financial position than if they were on EI. So how employment insurance works is if you were earning more than the maximum insurable earnings, which is $53,100 in 2019, you would have been eligible for the maximum employment insurance per week, which is $573. Because the Canada Emergency Response Benefit is replacing EI, the new benefit amount, the maximum is $500 per week. So for anybody who was over the insurable earnings, is actually going to receive less per week because now the new benefit will be $500. However, those people who are receiving employment insurance and just a little bit of employment insurance are now going to actually receive more through the new program. So you are going to see this change. You don't have to apply or do anything on your part. The government is automatically replacing this program with employment insurance if you were on it due to COVID-19.